I'm going to show you how I edit my videos on my laptop and what all goes behind the post-production. So let's jump into it. Yo, what's cooking, everybody? This is your boy Andy J. Welcome to ASQUAD Show. This is the episode number 2. So today specifically I'm going to use Premiere Pro, which is a paid software, but there are a lot of free softwares like these ones. I started with HitFilm. There's a free version and a paid version, and then we have DaVinci Resolve. Both of them are powerful, and let's go. All right, so I'm gonna open Premiere Pro. I have my project called iPhone Cinematic Video. I shot this video on my phone 6s Plus at 4K resolution. So let's go through what I added. I will play now with the music but no sound effects. It's okay. And now watch it again and listen carefully, like how much difference sound effects make. All right, so before we start, we need to actually put the headphones on so that I can hear it better. So, did you see how much difference it makes when you put those all sound effects? So let's go one by one. All right, so the first thing I did was the soundtrack. So you always choose the track before you start editing. Whatever the music you're gonna choose should match the vibe of the video, the story you are telling through the videos. So the music I chose is called How to Poach an Egg. So it makes sense, right? So that's why it suits so well with that. All my music and sound effects is from Epidemic Sound, and there are a lot of free websites where you can download sound effects, royalty-free music. So Bensound is one option for music tracks, and for sound effects we have called freesound.org. So these are the two things I chose was a track. So you put the track, it's 27 seconds long. All right, you put all your clip, all right, in the sequence, and then you cut it according to the beat and stuff. This first clip is the text where it comes in, quarantine morning, so it comes in and then fades out. And then we have this opening the fridge door. So what I added is, if you see here, this is a refrigerator opening sound. All right, so let me play it for you. That makes a lot of difference because your mind makes connection right away. So you see, the refrigerator opens, you hear that sound from the fridge. All right, then I added this part, which is like you're crushing plastic, but I added that because you take the egg from the tray, right? So the tray makes some kind of noise. So door opens, you take the egg, and then I added a transition here. The transition fits well with the opening of the door, and then the frame moves to the right. It goes well with it. So I added a transition there, and then I added a whip to make it more impactful. And then if you watch it, just with the sound effects, you see. All right, then we have this. I'm opening the oven door. It's the same, the fridge door. It's the same sound as this one. Only I just cut it this much and put it here. But it goes well with it, you see? and then you pull that grill, it makes some kind of sound, right? So then I added this drawer sound. It's like a normal wooden drawer, but it goes well with here. And then we have the switch. Let me make it bigger. So then this switch. So this is a switch sound. Then I added this electric heater sound. Yeah, this sound. So you turn on the switch and then you go up, right? So that's why I use that transition. It moves up and you have a can in your hand. And then this is the whip effect for the transition. So we added a crack sound for the egg. You see, that sounds so delicious, right? So there are like 3 sound effects here. These are, all right, let me play one by one, all right? So I'm gonna play this one. You see like something is cooking in the oil, right? I will play this track. You see when the egg drops, so that to give that impact, I added that one. And this is the same thing on the top, a little bit more louder. So when you club them all together, this is how it sounds. We added that, and then we have a flip of the egg. It makes a sizzling sound again. So I added one more here. It falls and it makes that sizzling sound. And now we have bread. So this is the sound of the bread. I took a top-down shot and we take a close-up shot. So that's why I add a zoom in with a whip. Beautiful. And it's still on the pan, so that's the sound continues until here. And that's it, that's a final shot here. I have added these 2 adjustment layer on the top. So the top adjustment layer, we have this black bars on it. So we add those bars, so it makes your footage looks professional and cinematic. And then we have this second adjustment layer where I added a color grade. We call it LUT, which is to give a unique color to all your footage. So I will show you. So if I go in color here, all right, now let's watch it. So what do you think? This is my workflow of editing my videos. And if you want me to do like really in-depth, so we're gonna start from the scratch and we will finish the video. So if you want to see a video like that, let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. You're watching the one and only ASQUAD show. I'm your boy Andy J. Until then, I'll see you in the next one. Take care, bye-bye. Peace.